Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you this free hair UGC that is easy to get. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First things first, I'm going to make a second account cause I already got it in my original one. Now, search up this user, Fairy Dimples 77777. Then click P. It's this girl. View her profile. Make sure to follow her or it won't work. Click on Creations and find the Escape the Forest for UGC game. And then play it. If you are in the game, follow what I do. Find the exit to escape. Found it. Now, stand on the cave and wait for it to teleport you. Next, press E to get a bat. You'll have to wait 20 more minutes to clam the hair. If you didn't got it, maybe it's because you didn't follow the creator or maybe it's out of stock. This is the hair looks like in game. It only has 200 stocks, so good luck.